Good morning, students. I am Yogesh Chand Sharma, English PGT, RPS Behror. Let's switch to our chapter 6, My Childhood. My Childhood is written by APJ Abdul Kalam. Actually, this is the autobiography, okay? Uh, this extract, My Childhood, is taken from the Wings of Fire, okay? In which APJ Abdul Kalam ji shares us about the childhood, okay? His childhood is. Let's see. Can you think of any scientist who have also been statesmen, or APJ Abdul Kalam, whose projects in space, defense and nuclear technology guided India into the 21st century, became our 11th president in 2002. In his autobiography, Wings of Fire, as I told you, this has been taken from Wings of Fire, My Childhood, in which he speaks of his childhood. APJ Abdul Kalam ji says, I was born into a middle class Tamil family. Okay, he born into a middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameswaram in the erstwhile is written, that means former Madras state. He got born in the island town of Rameswaram in the former Madras state into a middle class Tamil family. My father, Janaluddin, okay, his father name is Janaluddin, had neither much formal education nor much wealth. Means he is middle class. He belongs to middle family. He was neither educated or nor wealthy. Okay. Despite these disadvantages, means despite of uneducated and poor, he possessed great innate wisdom. Okay, he possessed a great innate. Innate means inborn, that is written. You may note down all the glossary word meanings from the book, and rest you will be dictated or you will be sent a pic. Okay, and then you will copy down from there. He possessed great innate wisdom. Innate means inborn, by birth. He had by birth wisdom and a true generosity of spirit. Generosity means kindness. He also had a true generosity of spirit. He had an ideal helpmate in my mother, Asiyamma. Asiyamma is the name of his mother. His father was helpful in nature, used to help his mother, Asiyamma. So without being boastful, we can say it may be his father was not wealthy or his father was not educated, but actually he had got the innate wisdom, true generosity of spirit, or he had an ideal helpmate in my mother, means in his mother Asiyamma. Means he was helpful in nature. I do not recall, Kalamji says that I do not recall the exact number of people she fed every day. Means his mother used to feed food every day to the people, but he says I do not know exact number to what is the number of that people. But I am quite certain that far more outsiders ate with us than all the members of our own family put together. But he says, I am sure if you put together outsiders, so I am sure they all are far more outsiders. Okay, they all are more in number than our family. Okay, if we put all our family members together, so they are more than that. I am sure about that number. I was one of many children, a short boy. Now he tells us about himself, how he was a short boy with rather undistinguished looks. Undistinguished means not special. He was not special in looks. Born to tall and handsome parents, he got born from tall and handsome parents, but he was a short boy. We lived in our ancestral house. He tells us how he lives in the forefathers' house, which was built in the middle of the 19th century. He says, we lived in our forefathers' house, the house that was built in the middle of the 19th century. It was fairly large Pakka house. It was a big Pakka house made of limestone and bricks. That house was built up by the limestone and brick on the Mosque Street in Rameswaram. That house was situated on the Mosque Street in Rameswaram. My austere father, austere means strict, okay? Austere means strict. His strict father used to avoid all necessities were provided for. So he used to avoid all the necessities in terms of food. In terms of food, medicine, or clothes. In fact, I would say mine was very secure, means my life was very secure childhood, both materially and emotionally. He says that his father may not be may not be expensive in the sense he used to avoid all the comfortable lives, but in spite of it, APJ Abdul Kalam ji says that my childhood was secure both way, materially and emotionally. Means he was sound materially and emotionally. The Second World War broke out in 1939 when I was 8 years old. He said that when I was 8 years old, at that time Second World War started in 1939. Broke out means started. For reasons I have never been able to understand a sudden demand for tamarind seeds. He says that after the Second World War, I do not know why, but it was a demand of the tamarind in the market. Tamarind seeds, imli ke beej jo hote, it was the demand of in the market, erupted in the market, came. The demand of tamarind seeds came into the market. I used to collect the seeds and sell them to a provision shops on Mosque Street. In the Mosque Street, where he has got his house, there was a provision shops. There he used to sell out these tamarind seeds. Our day's collection would fetch me means bring me. Our day's collection would bring me the princely sum of 1 anna. Princely sum means generous amount. It was a generous amount for him to collect and to get after selling out the tamarind seeds. My brother-in-law Jalaluddin would tell me stories about the war, which I would later attempt to trace in the headlines in Dinamani, our area. There used to be a paper Dinamani in his area, by which he comes to know about the headlines. Okay, so he says that APJ Abdul Kalam says that my brother-in-law name is Jalaluddin would tell me stories, means he used to tell me the stories about the war, Second World War, which I would later attempt to trace in the headlines. Okay, means later on he guessed about the story by the help of the headlines in Dinamani, our area. Being isolated solitude was completely unaffected by the war, but soon India was forced to join the Allied forces and sometime something like a state of emergency. So he says that my area was isolated area, okay, lonely or isolated in the sense solitude, okay. Solitude was completely unaffected. He says that my area was completely unaffected, means it was not affected by the war, but soon India was forced to join. But soon, okay, India was forced to join the Allied forces, to join the armies of UK, USA and Russia during the Second World War. Means India was bound to take part along with USA and Russia. And something like a state of emergency, or at that time there was the condition of emergency was declared. Emergency was declared. The first casualty means lost, came in the form of the suspension. Suspension means the action of suspending of the train. Means there was a first loss, that the train was stopped or suspended. Halt means a short stoppage at Rameswaram station. Means there used to be a short stoppage in the Rameswaram station, but it was suspended, or any longer it may not be a stopping point. The newspapers now had to be bundled and thrown out from the moving train. If the train will not halt or stop, if the train will not get stoppage in the Rameswaram, then what happened? The bundle of the newspaper, these bundle had to be thrown out from the moving train. This was a great challenge for them. On the Rameswaram road, between Rameswaram and Dhanuskodi, that forced my cousin Samsuddin. Actually, his cousin Samsuddin used to do this job, paper distributing. So that forced my cousin Samsuddin, who distributed newspapers in Rameswaram, to look for a helping hand to catch the bundle. Means his cousin APJ Abdul Kalam's cousin Samsuddin requested Abdul Kalam ji to help him out in catching the bundles while moving the train, because the halt or a short stoppage has been suspended. As if naturally, I filled the slot. Slot means space. Means I can fill up this gap. Gap in the sense what he needed for helping him out. He can fulfill that demand because he was free at that time. Samsuddin helped me earn my first wages. So he helped me in such a manner. When I helped him, so he gave me wage. Wage means monthly announced salary. Half a century later, I can still feel the surge. Surge means wave. I still can feel the wave of pride in earning my own money for the first time. Obviously, anyone who has self-esteem and self-respect will be happy while earning the first salary. Every child is born with some inherited characteristics. Characteristics means qualities. Every child is born with some of the innate qualities, inherited qualities, into a specific socio-economic and emotional environment. In the specific socio-economic and emotional environment, everyone born with inherited qualities and trained in certain ways by a figure of authority. I inherited honesty. Means he says that I also learned from the specific socio-economic and emotional environment. How he learned, see, how he learned or how he inculcated qualities, characteristics. See, APJ Abdul Kalam ji says that I inherited honesty, means I adopt honesty and self discipline from my father and from my mother. I inherited faith in goodness and deep kindness. He says that I inherited honesty and self discipline from my father. I inherited faith in goodness and deep kindness from my mother. And so did my three brothers and sisters. Same case with my three brothers and sister. I had three close friends in my childhood. This is what how APJ Abdul Kalam ji shares about his childhood days. During their childhood days, how he has got three friends. Number one, Ramanand Sastri. Second, Arvindan. And third friend is Shiv Prakashan. All these boys were from Orthodox. Orthodox means conservative, or conservative in the sense one who belongs in the tradition. So they are the Orthodox kind of friends. Okay, Shiv Prakashan, Ramanand Sastri and Arvindan. Hindu Brahmin family. They belong to Hindu Brahmin family, means Orthodox Hindu Brahmin family. As children, none of us ever felt any difference amongst ourselves. But he says, none of us felt any difference amongst ourselves because of our religious differences and upbringing. So because of upbringing means brought up, or the way a child is treated and taught how to behave by his parents or by her parents. In fact, Ramanand Sastri was the son of Pakshi Lakshman Sastri. Ramanand Sastri was the son of the Pakshi Lakshman Sastri, the high priest of the Rameswaram temple. Lakshman Sastri was the highest priest of the Rameswaram temple. Later, he took over the priesthood of the Rameswaram temple from his father. Arvindan went into the business of the arranging transport for visiting pilgrims. Arvindan has got business of the transport for visiting pilgrims. Pilgrims means one who go for religious purpose. Okay, religious one who has religious journey. धार्मिक यात्रा के लिए जाते हैं उनको पिलग्रिम्स बोलते हैं. And Shiv Prakashan became a catering means providing food contractor. Shiv Prakashan, later on he became a catering contractor for the Southern Railways. During the annual Sri Sitaram Kalyanam ceremony, our family used to arrange boats with a special platform for carrying idols of the Lord from the temple of the marriage site. Idols in the sense statues. His family used to carry or used to arrange the boats with a special platform for carrying idols, so that the statues can be carried, statues of the Lord from the temple to the marriage site. Means it was the profession of his family. Situated in the middle of the pond called Ramtirtha, or that site was situated in the middle pond of the pond that is called Ramtirtha, which was near our house. That Ramtirtha place was near to the Abdul Kalam's house. Events from the Ramayana and from the life of the prophet. Prophet means one who predict about future. Were the bedtime stories. Yes. The events from the Ramayana and from the life of the prophet were the bedtime stories. Means stories regarding the Ramayana, stories regarding the prophet are the bedtime stories. Means the grandfather, grandmother used to tell these stories before sleeping to the children, irrespective of caste and creed. It doesn't matter whether a child belongs to Hindu family or Muslim family, or it doesn't matter whether the story belongs to Ramayana, Mahabharata, Quran, so on. So my mother and grandmother, this is what APJ Abdul Kalam says, that my mother and grandmother would tell the children in our family. In our family, they used to tell the bedtime stories of the Ramayana and Prophet. Dear students, the half remaining part of this chapter, my childhood, regarding autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam, so we will be completing in the next video, and you may note down all the word meanings. The word meanings that is given in the book, you will note it down from there, and rest I will send you. Okay, have a good day.